Hi, and welcome to Wrong Way. And these are the Hero Rider S8 and S9 scooters. And yes, this is a voiceover. So, let me tell you more about it. Wrong Way. During the first part of the video, I did not turn on my wireless mic, so yeah, that's that. Need to work on that. So anyhow, first of all, huge thanks to Raynor and Hero Rider, the company. They reached out to me and they sent out these scooters for me for testing. This is not a sponsored review. They didn't pay me to do this review, but they provided the scooters and they're for me to keep. So yeah, you need to keep that in mind. But of course, you guys are the first to see the videos and there's no influence from the Hero Rider company onto these videos. So yeah, let's get back to the unboxing. First thing that stood out to me is how well packaged and how well secured these scooters are. We also like the design on the cardboard. It's sort of a new flavor when it comes to scooter world. And we have the Hero Rider S8 and S9. Now when it comes to batteries, they come in different flavors in 13 amp hour, 16 amp hour and 21 amp hour versions. So here you can see the watt hours respectively, meaning they are competing mainly against like a Tech Life X6 and 09 scooters. So like the premium, I would say mid-range market. The Hero S9 is for around $1,000 when it comes to US pricing, so no VAT, and $1,400 for the Hero S8. Now they do not have any partners yet in Europe, so feel free to reach out to them if you would like to have Hero Rider in your shop lineup. As you've seen, there's also some pretty nice marketing in the box, like the We're Honored thing and the nice text. They almost have like a comic book style of, scooters, and really like their flashy design and whatnot. That's just pretty cool. So the scooters also, when it comes to specs, looks pretty good. The Hero S9 has actually a 8.5-inch pneumatic tire, front and rear suspension, and with its 1200 watt motor, it can get you pretty far for a small commuter scooter. And the Hero S8 has 8-inch but super wide non-pneumatic tires, and also front and rear suspension. Well, we'll see. We'll have to see in the review just how they perform. All right, so let's open it up. That's for sure the most well-packaged scooter I've ever seen in my YouTube life. Man, that will take some time. Even like foam here. Shipping it can be really amazing. I believe a scooter with this amount of packaging won't get damaged during the shipping process. How do you open it up? Oh, here. Okay, cool. Okay, nice. I've never seen a square stem. That's pretty interesting. Lots of new stuff here on the scooter. Hero! Why does your packaging need to be so safe? Okay, it's good. I'm not complaining. That was a hassle. Don't see a kickstand. Here's the kickstand. That looks super nice, doesn't it? So this is the Hero S9 with its 9-inch big tires, pneumatic tires. Up in the front and the back, it has drum brakes, front and back. So, not the best braking power, but still really nice. Once again, 48-volt scooter. Top speed should be around 40-45 kilometers an hour. Yeah, there's also a charger, and the charger is 2 amps. So, 10-hour charging time. So no fast charger included. I think here's the charge port. No, it's just empty. Interesting. Okay, here's the charge port. But cheers. You can actually look inside the scooter from here. It's weird. Yeah, let's try to just turn it on. That's so different. Okay, let's turn it on. See if it works at all. Yeah, it works. Super nice. Just a bell here on this side. I'll screw all these things in. That's really usual that they're loose when the scooter is coming. And there's also the LED RGBs. And let's see if I can actually turn them on with this thing. Okay, so after a bit of head scratching, I turned the lights on, and it's as simple as, you know, it's just a matter of holding down the mode button, so then the LEDs on the side are on, and it's just basically like having a bit of our LEDs up in the front, and then the light is transferred to the rear, and they're also different colors. I will play around with them a bit more. Well, where's the receiver here? Somewhere there. Yeah, there. So you can turn on different lights, and they can also cycle through and go through music. Oh, that one I like. And there's also a app that goes along with them, but maybe I'll just show it in the full review. But as for now, I think I'll just leave it at that. That looks really cool. There's also front lighting, which is mediocre to say the least. There's rear lighting, which looks really cool, but again, not that bright. Is there also a brake light? Yeah, I think it'll do. There's also a rear footrest, which looks really nice, and there's also a bit of a sandpaper. Here's better sandpaper on the top of the scooter, and naturally the mudguards are too short, because how could it be that a scooter might have good mudguards in the rear? And the front mudguard looks actually pretty nice. So that's that. You fold it by just pulling on this lever, and I also extended the handlebars, and actually they're pretty high up. So yeah, this is also a cool thing about the Hero scooter. And the clamp here is different than what I'm used to on all other scooters. Well, there's a lot of parts that are different than what I'm used to. I like the position of the kickstand. I like the lighting. It definitely helps you in riding in the night. And yeah, that's pretty interesting. Like pretty interesting product right there. So I think now it's time to unbox the Hero S8. This will probably be the scooter I will like a bit less than the S9, because the S8 has full tires, which I really don't like. Yes, Taju, I really don't like them. So let's open it up. Once again, super nice packaging. Cardboard box is really thick. Even like the tape is really thick. Ugh. Yeah, we're honored, blah, blah, blah. Remote, tool, box. And a cap! Look at that! We got 2 caps, so I can be a hero now, a hero rider. All right, I shall put it on. User's manual. Nice foam, and let's get it out. This one is heavier at, I think, 26 kilograms. This one is 22. Ooh! Oh, and I didn't mention the motor power before. I think it's around 1200 watts peak, and it's a single motor in the rear. I don't know the nominal power. I will have to check on that. So this one has front and rear suspension, same battery options, 13 amp hour, 16 amp hour, and 21 amp hour. Ugh. Ooh. That shouldn't be there. See, that's why I like electric unicycles. No need for adjusting this. Full tires, really wide, but suboptimal in all conditions, in my opinion, unless you get a flat. But in the lifetime of this channel, I had 1 flat on a dual trim Thunder flat tire, and that's been it. No more flat tires. Once I burned off like a tire on a e-bike, but that's a different story. I rode probably like 20, even more, 1,000 kilometers. So yeah, I think getting a puncture in a pneumatic tire, like, not really a big deal. Just keep the pressure like it says on the vehicle, and I think you're good to go. Once again, charger, probably the same one. Yeah, 2 amps, so same thing. 10 hours for a full charge and a bigger battery. Put it up. Same mechanism as on the other one. Ugh. Same handlebars, like the 09 style Techlevics 6. Nice! Okay, clicked into place. Kickstand in the same spot. Charge port on the same spot. Hole on the same spot? Yeah, hole on the same spot. Also a footrest in the rear, front and rear shocks. But once again, full tires, not a fan of those. And let's get this out. Oh, the mudguard here is even shorter, so you will get your ass really wet in this one. It's really strong and durable, but way too short. Like, come on, not even close. So front and rear disc brakes. I believe these are 140s. And are these? No, mechanical disc brakes, so no hydraulics here. But dude, square driving column, stem. That's ridiculous. I'm not really sure, like, if it works better or worse or whatever. Oh, here it is. Okay, here is the throttle. Wasn't on the scooter, so I was wondering if they forgot about it, but no, it's here. Once again, to turn on LEDs, just hold mode. And they look pretty much exactly the same like the other ones on the scooter. So I think now I can change them synchronized. Yeah, I changed both scooters at the same time. Pretty cool. If you have two Hero scooters, you will just change the lights simultaneously. So, oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, do I like the fade more? I think I like the flat, the strong thingy more. Yeah, that I like. Cool. Footrest is a bit bigger than on the Hero S9. Let me just really quickly put it next to it. But other than that, they're pretty similar. Let me just get the camera and show you the differences. So yeah, indeed, there's a huge tire difference. I think the S9 will be better here, but you know, we have to yet find out. Rear shocks. S8 has a bit bigger footrest in the rear than this one. The Hero S8 is black, S9 is white. I don't know if there are no color options, but yeah, in terms of batteries or the deck, I think it's like totally the same scooter. Folding mechanism as well. Even the square driving column, like, wow! And all the, you know, the handlebar is the same, bell. The throttle system and whatnot. The nice clamp with the Hero sign here. Lighting is the same, but the tires are different and the brakes on these scooters. The S8, S9, once again, just front suspension and no... Wait, is there even suspension here? These are the Hero S8 and S9 scooters, at least their unboxing. So yeah, subscribe for the full review and leave a like. And if you're still here, leave a like as well. Subscribe to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. See you soon. What a mess.